Today, I'm going to walk you through a practical troubleshooting job on a marine air compressor, focusing on a faulty unloader solenoid valve and how replacing it restored normal operation. I first noticed that the air compressor was taking longer than usual to build pressure in the air receiver. Normally, the compressor should reach cutout pressure within a standard time, but in this case, it was running continuously and pressure buildup was slow. This clearly indicated that something was not functioning efficiently. I began with a basic inspection, checking for common issues such as air leaks in the system, open drain valves, and any unusual sounds. After confirming there were no major external leaks, I focused my attention on the compressor itself. During closer inspection, I found that the unloader solenoid valve was continuously leaking air. This valve plays an important role in compressor operation. It helps unload the compressor during startup and regulates pressure by releasing air when required. If it leaks continuously, it prevents proper pressure buildup, which explains the delay in filling the air receiver. To confirm the problem, I checked the solenoid valve operation manually. Even when it should have been closed, air was still passing through it. This confirmed that the valve had an internal fault, possibly due to worn-out seals or dirt accumulation. Once the issue was identified, I prepared for replacement. Safety is always the first priority, so I stopped the compressor, isolated the electrical supply, and released all air pressure from the system. Next, I removed the faulty solenoid valve. I disconnected the electrical connections carefully and then used the proper tools to remove the valve from its position. While removing it, I also checked for dirt or contamination around the area. After removing the defective valve, I took a spare solenoid valve available on board and verified that it matched the required specifications, including size and voltage rating. Before installing the new valve, I cleaned the mounting area and threads to ensure a proper seal. Then I installed the new solenoid valve securely and reconnected the electrical wiring correctly. With everything in place, I restarted the compressor and monitored its operation. The new solenoid valve worked properly with no continuous leakage. The compressor began to build pressure normally and reached the cutout pressure within the expected time. I also checked for any minor leaks around the installation area and confirmed that all connections were tight and secure. This job shows how a small component like an unloader solenoid valve can have a big impact on overall compressor performance. A continuous leak can reduce efficiency, increase running time, and cause unnecessary wear. Regular inspection and maintenance of such components are important to avoid unexpected issues. Keeping spare parts ready on board also helps in quick troubleshooting and reduces downtime. In conclusion, by identifying the faulty solenoid valve, safely replacing it, and testing the system, the compressor was successfully restored to normal operation. This step-by-step approach is essential for effective marine maintenance. Thank you.